RONC Electronic Technology Co. Ltd. was founded in 2003, which focus on the research and innovation of AI-driven products. We currently have two brands, RONC and INBEST. For many years, we have been committed to transforming cutting-edge AI technology into practical solutions covering smart hardware, software, and applications in specific industries. We are committed to improving user experience and adopting simple design, aiming to develop more convenient, smart products to achieve a more simplified lifestyle in the future. Our head office is located in the heart of Guangzhou, near the city's landmark buildings, Taikoo Hui and Wanlinghui. We warmly welcome you to visit us. This is our smart glasses manufacturing facility. From product research and design to the procurement of raw materials and components, we follow standardized production processes to ensure precision manufacturing. Strict product testing guarantees reliable quality, while our customer-oriented after-sales service lays the foundation for long-term cooperation. RONC specializes in the R&D, production, sales, and OEM/ODM services of AI smart electronics. Its markets span over 100 countries across Europe, the Americas, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa, and holds certifications including MFII, ISO 9001, CE, FCC, ROHS, and CCC. With a 10,000-part factory, 10 production lines, and a team of nearly 40 experienced engineers, RONC ensures rapid delivery with a daily capacity of up to 150,000 units and an annual output of 100 million units. For purchases, please visit our official online store at www.ronshop.com or contact our customer service team directly.